Hello, hello. All right, let's go through the chapter 9 through 11 packet for our Touching Spirit Bear novel study. Keep watching, wink, wink. Keep watching this instructional video because there will be a secret word to earn a prize or some extra credit. I haven't decided yet. Stay tuned, all right? So let's go through this together. Chapter 9 through 11, these are the directions. Don't skip around, go in the same order that the slides are in. On each slide, it will say type here where you're supposed to type your answer. Make sure you're deleting where it says type here. Do not leave the words type here before you type your answer. Once you're ready to turn it in, you've got beautiful complete sentences because you need to do those in order to get full credit from now on. Just make sure that your slideshow is still attached to the Google Classroom assignment. And this is going to be due tomorrow, Tuesday, April 28th, right before midnight. All right, second slide. There we go. If you ever have any trouble reading this, up here at the top, if you're on a computer, is a little magnifying glass. Click 50% or 100%. I like the 50% a little bit better. There we go. So we're going to be reading chapters 9, 10, and 11. It is only 9 pages. Here is the link to the PDF version of the book, this link here. And then once YouTube is finished loading up the audio version, I will put the link here as well and connect it to the Google assignment so you can listen. If you're doing the listening option, totally fine. I'm glad you are. Make sure you're following along in the book too, because I feel like it'll help you understand what's happening. Make sure you're typing in complete sentences and deleting the words type here. And then just a reminder that incomplete sentences will not get you full credit. So earn those full amount of points. And then when you're all done, make sure it's attached and it's due Tuesday. This one's nice and short. There's only 3 comprehension questions. So for chapters 9 through 11, number 1 says, describe what happens with the sparrows. I'm going to click here. And where it says type complete sentences here, I'm going to delete these words. And I'm going to type my complete response. Right there. All right. Sentences here. For number 2, describe some of the things Cole does to survive in this section of the book. There's some really gross stuff too. I wish we were in class so we could do an activity with that, but we're not. Number 3, Spirit Bear comes back at the end of chapter 11. What do you think will happen to Cole? I know this is your prediction, but please have it be a complete sentence. I think blah, 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 blah will happen to Cole because, all right, big juicy sentences. You know I like those. And then we've got a visualize, question, and summarize page coming at you here in a second. So for visualize, choose a quote from the reading. Write the quote here and tell me what you visualize. So there was some confusion with this question from a different packet. You told me what you visualized, but I have no idea what part of the book you're talking about. So pick a couple of sentences, a quote from the book, type them word for word here, and then tell me what you're visualizing. For a question, if you were on the island with Cole, what would you do and say to help him? Big, beautiful, complete sentences. Where it says summarize in 30 words or less, summarize in complete sentences what happened in chapters 9 through 11. And I know you can do that in 30 words or less. That's probably 2 to 3 sentences. Now here's your extra credit. Do you see this bad boy right here? Megan, I'm thinking about you. Izzy, I'm thinking about you. Potato. The secret word is potato. Because you watched the instructional video, you're going to click right here and delete these words and type the word potato. Okay? Do it. Should I leave this here? Maybe I will. All right, guys, that's all I've got for you. Good luck. I hope you enjoyed the book. These chapters have some pretty yucky, gross things that happen, but I think you can handle it. All right. Talk to you later. Bye, guys.